Okay, guys, we're going to be playing some Tower of Hell, and I am the Cat King. So go. Just need to join Tower of Hell. Yeah. Okay, then I am Mr. Cat King. Oh, it's 1 more extra time. Let's go. 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 I'm the Cat King. Hee. I'm the Cat King. That's why. I am basically your dada. Yeah, I have lots of cats on me. Go. Shing. My son nearly on purple. I survived. Let's go. Yeah. Go. Go, Mike. You go. Imagine seeing this part. Imagine seeing the Cat King when you murder the cat. I got like maybe I got like 400. No, I got, yeah, it was from my premium. I got some from my premium. There ain't no way. But just how? Literally, if you search on Google, is there a way to get free Robux? Literally, it says no. Well, do you have to put in your password? Okay, that's good boy. Oh, it's from your billings. It's from like when you've like done something good and you get Robux for it. What the? Okay, I don't know how you can do bad stuff, guys, and you can get free Robux, but do not do that. Do not try do that. Do not be a bad boy on Robux, because you will get banned. So be a good boy, and you will get Robux. Yeah? Emotional damage. I survived. I thought I died, but I survived. Bro, that jump's impossible. Max, I'm not gonna be dumb and buy double jump. Okay, I swear, if someone buys invincibility at the wrong time, like, I'm just gonna chillax. I am Cat King. I am Sweet Cat King. Yeah, I have two cats. I have a cat cape, and I also have a cat on my chest. Yeah, because I am the king. I have so much cats. Hey yo. Okay, but if someone actually buys, if they're so dumb and they buy invincibility when it's about to end, like they are actually dumb. There ain't no way. Okay, yeah. Someone now can buy invincibility. There's too much people. I can barely see. There's way too much people. Bro, someone died. I see their body parts. Oh my son. This obby seems a bit easier. It's kinda not easier. We're on my green party. Let's go. I am the cat king, so I'm more powerful. I'll wait for you. Dun 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 dun. I see you. Bro, the cat king's watching over you. Okay, I'm waiting for you. Oh, Maxo, I found the worst thing that you could buy. It's, yeah, lengthen. It literally adds another 150. No, it adds another section. Oh, there you are. Okay, good. Hi, son. Sonny, I waited for you like a good dada. Emotional damage. And I'm gonna die. I knew it. The cat king died, but I still have all my cats. I have my cat cape. No, if you add another section, it'll add another section to the top. And you'll have to go do more stages. That even might be a bit harder. Let's go. I love this guy. If someone buys invincibility, actually, I'm a good boy. Let me buy extra time. Let's go. I bought extra time. Oh my, I love that this person bought it. But the, high jump. I love it. I have 10, but I don't want to spend. Okay. Go, go, go. Go. No! I fell. I'm eating. Because there's just no point now. Botswana. Okay guys, the video is gonna be ending soon, but we're still playing Tower Fell. And the cat thing. Nom nom nom. And guys, the reason why I was standing still for so long is because I was eating. Huh? One. Yeah. Okay guys, bye bye. I'll make a part 2 of this soon.